Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by rinsing 1 cup quinoa and 1/2 cup broken wheat Dalia under cold water until the rinse runs clear. Drain well to remove saponins and excess starch. Measure 2 cups water, 1 tablespoon ghee or oil, 1 tsp cumin seeds, 1/2 tsp turmeric powder, and salt to taste so cooking is smooth. Chop 1 small onion, 1 medium tomato, 1 green chili, and measure 1/4 cup chopped cilantro for garnish and texture. Keep spices and vegetables ready. Heat a heavy pan, add 1 tablespoon ghee and temper 1 tsp cumin seeds until they sputter. Add chopped onion and sauté 3 to 4 minutes until translucent. Stir in chopped tomato and green chili, cook 1 to 2 minutes, then add the rinsed quinoa and dahlia and toast 2 to 3 minutes for nuttiness. Pour in 2 cups water, add 1/2 tsp turmeric and salt. Bring to a boil, reduce heat. Cover and simmer 15 to 20 minutes until water is absorbed and grains are tender. Then rest 5 minutes covered. When resting is complete, fluff the quinoa dahlia gently with a fork to separate grains, then stir in 1/4 cup chopped cilantro and adjust salt to taste for brightness. Serve hot with a squeeze of lemon juice, a side of plain yogurt, or a spoon of pickle for tang. This makes a balanced meal with about 12 to 15 grams of protein per serving, depending on portion size. Cool leftovers quickly and store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 4 days, reheating with a splash of water.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.